Good morning, World History Cardinals. It's Miss Wall, and I'm about to talk to you about our work for today. I am on the outline page, so let me go back to home to show you how I got there. So on your computer, hit home, scroll down to the enter here button, click Unit 1, and then this page will pop up. Today we're going to talk about the Neolithic Revolution. Neolithic Revolution. So the thing about this is, now that we've discussed a little bit about spice and knowing that civilizations need to have certain things in order to actually become a country, we're going to talk about early man. So even though this says Neolithic Revolution, it also says in the goal statement that I need you to write down in your notes, I can analyze the changes that took place from the Paleolithic to the Neolithic era. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to access your online textbook. I'm also going to give you some PowerPoints that will be in your Canvas page just so you can use it. But in class, I'm going to do it live. But here on this video, I'll just tell you that I will upload those PowerPoints and things at a later time. All right, let's click the activities. All right, you're going to first be given a cartoon, little comic strip. Read everything carefully, scroll down, and even read all of these little teeny tiny words. And then make your response. Put your response in the discussion box right here. And then next, now they've given you a document. This document is for you to gain an understanding of what early people were like. So it says here, practicing annotations. This is a 48-hour classwork assignment. You can do it today and tomorrow. Just make sure you have it finished by today or tomorrow. This one is classwork, meaning it's a participatory grade. And the directions say use the Read Write app in your Chromebook toolbar to help you do the annotation. So if you look, this document has directions. You must do all 5 directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it just the way it said. Okay? So you're going to get some background here. But don't forget, I said I'm going to give you background as well in live instruction. But you're going to learn all about early man and how they adapted eventually into the Neolithic revolution as well. Okay? After you have worked on that for a little while, now you are at your true homework assignment. And this is a mini DBQ. It's very, very short. It's the first of our DBQs. But this one is about the changes that made the Neolithic Revolution so spectacular. Okay? It says answer the questions to each document using at least 2 documents. Here's the deal. The worksheet itself has 2 documents on it. They always will have something for you to compare. So this is what they're telling you. Compare that picture to that picture. Compare that picture of tools to this picture of tools. Read that paragraph and make your decision for number 3. Look at this entire chart and then make sure you answer number 4. For number 5, you take all of the documents above to help you write a well-organized paragraph that includes intro, evidence, and a conclusion. So that means today I also need to give you a quick lesson on writing. And once you get through that, then you will see that you have finished and completed your assignment. Well, let's go back to the unit page. So you will start today in lesson 3. You will read the essential question. You will write down the goal statement in your notes, and then you will read the daily plan and click the activities link. You will read the comic strip. You will make a conversation or comment in the discussion box. You'll start reading and annotating the document on early people. By then, you will be also looking at the PowerPoint that I gave you. And then the true homework is right here, and it's entitled Unit 1, Lesson 3, Mini DBQ Neolithic Changes. This one is the one that goes in the grade book, okay? And it's due January 15th, 2021. Once you have finished both of those, then this is the page you should see, the rock. All right, so while I have you here, let me show you how to get to your online textbook. You will go back to your NC EdCloud page and look right here for this symbol that has an orange smiley face and the words ED. This is your online textbook. Click it. As it loads, my page is going to look different than yours, but you're going to go to the word discover. Go to the word discover, and here are your modules. Now, y'all know this is the beginning of the book, so you're going to be in Unit 1. Module 1, the beginnings of world history. Click that link, scroll down, and it shows you right out that Lesson 1 is the study of world history. So you will view the resources there, and yours is going to pop up to a student ebook. And when you open that, there's going to be video, text, information, vocabulary, interactive things, vocabulary words, timelines. It is a great resource to use. This is not mandatory, but it's just there for you so you can use to get a feel of world history. And it's also just good to have a good reference. Okay? All right, I will see you guys during class. I just wanted to give you this tidbit of information. Um, I'll see you soon, and I hope you use this and find this well into your likings, because you can play the audio, you can take notes. It's good for you. All right, guys, talk to you soon.